Okay, so first introduce yourself. Okay, so introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Jeff. Hi, tuloy. I'm Jeffrey. I came first agent. Can I help? Please help. Okay, so check for the responsiveness of or consciousness of the patient. Hey, 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 are you okay? Hey, 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 are you okay? So the victim is unresponsive. Help. Okay? Activate medical assistance as I do the primary survey. Okay, so primary survey, ABC. Airway, breathing, circulation. So head, tilt, chin, lift. So, anything sa elbow?
Upo na ako ah.
Well, girl, just color.
Sir.
Holy shit! Okay, so, go, instruction. Then, after checking for obstruction, give, so check for,
Parang ang bilis.
so obstructions, no obstructions, seen. So, 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. After checking, so check the victim's breathing and circulation. So, no breathing, so you have to give 2 initial blows. So, cover the nose. 1, 2. Okay, so air bounce in, no obstruction. After checking the breathing, so you have to check the pulse. So 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So the victim has no pulse and no breathing. Please follow up medical assistance as I perform CPR. Okay? So when perform, so always remember doing CPR, 30 compressions and 2 ventilations, and we have 5 cycles. So this is your sigmoid process. Sigmoid process. Xiphoid process rather. So sa left side, place your 2 fingers. So above the 2 fingers, your palm. So dito ang location. Do not be a bender. Okay, or jerker. Okay.
Sir ha.
So,
Jargon. Jerker.
proper position. So, third compression. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Close the nose. 1. Then, cycle process with fingers. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Okay, so 5 cycles yun. After 5 cycles, then, check for the breathing and pulse. So, assuming number 4 na ako. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. Okay, so after doing CPR, check for the breathing and pulse with 10 seconds. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So, the victim has pulse but no breathing. So, please follow up emergency medical assistance as I perform rescue breathing. So, for rescue breathing, 1 ventilation in 5 seconds. So, 24 cycles. So, 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1001. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1002. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1024. Okay, so assuming ventilation, so check for the pulse and breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Victims revived, so do the... So when it's victim revived, so there's presence of positive breathing and circulation. So place the patient on recovery position. So recovery position din siya. Since wala siyang kamay, the left side, right? Okay, question.
Left side niya.
Pag walang kamay. Pag may
Ah,
kamay.
left side, right?
Pero pag may kamay.
Ganyan.
Ano? Ay, kaya niya sir.
Oo. Now, compression will be ilang inches?
To cm.
Yung depth. Or yung pan press.
Tubing.
2 cm.
Fingers. 1.5 to 2 inches.
Inches.
Yung gano'n lang.
Sir, di ba dapat hindi na-bend yung elbow?
Diretso lang. Nasa
Diretso lang.